Hello, good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic formatting in Microsoft Word. First is that we are going to create a new document. To create a new document, we are going to click New and we're going to click Blank Document. And after having a blank document, we are now going to set the paper size and our margins. Now for the paper size, we are going to go to the page layout. These things are called ribbon, and in here, in page layout tab, or ribbon, we can set the size of our document into an A4 or the standard size such as letter and layout. So in here, we'll just use the letter size, which is 8.5 by 11. So we're going to click this. And for our margins, when we say margins, this is the space at the side of our paper that separates our the border and our text. Okay, so in our margin, we just click margin. We're going to have the normal margin, which is 1 inch on each corner, or we can have narrow. So for this one, we are going to have normal one, which is 1 inch per side. Now, after setting the paper size and margins, we're now going to do our font style and font size. For our font style and font size, we're going to go to the Home ribbon. Just click Home ribbon. Now, here we can choose our font. So, we can choose many varieties on how our letters, numbers, and other characters would appear. This is called font style or font. So let's just try using this font. Or let's have this font. Or let's try to use Times New Roman. Okay. I'll zoom it since it's so small. How to save a file. Now, we have these words. So this is, let's use Times New Roman for this. So that is the font style. Now, let's change the font size. The font size is how big or small your letters would appear in your document. So you can have a very big one or a small one, it depends. So let's try to use 16 for our font size. Now, this font style and font size is Times New Roman 16. Now, if you want to make these letters bold, just click this one. If you want to make it underlined, click this one. Or if you don't want to have it underlined, just unclick it and unclick this one also. Now, after that, we are going to have our alignment. In the alignment, this is how your words would appear in your paper. So this is called align left, since the letters are aligned on the left side. The next alignment is center, which means all our words will be centered in our document, like this one. This is in the center of our document. Or we can have align right, which our words will be aligned on the right side. And we will have justify, which means that our words will be distributed properly or evenly in our document. So for example, how to save a file. To save a file, we must click File tab, then click Save As. After that, we go to the folder which we want to save our file. So like this. Notice our word starts with which our margin should be and ends with our margin. Look. So here. This is justified. The words are evenly distributed in our document. Now, if I'm going to center it, look what happens. All of these are centered in our document. While if I do align left, look at the left part, they are all aligned. While align right, the right part or right side will also be aligned. Now, we are going to use justified for this one so that it would be good to look at. And now, here. Next, after the alignment, we are going to have our indentation. To indent our sentences, usually at the start of a paragraph, we indent our first sentence. Now, to do the indentation, we can either click this one, but that will make your whole or all of your sentence to be indented. So here, we just click the tab button, the tab key in your keyboard. So again, tab key, it will indent 1/2 inch or 1 inch if you want to. So just indent it with 1/2 inch. Okay. Now after the indentation, we have the other tools. Now if you want that there will be no spacing, these are the styles that we can use. We can have the bullets. This is used to make bullets. Numberings if you are going to have numbering. This one is for making colorful words. Like for example, this one. Let's highlight this. Let's make the words colorful. Color it red. Let's just change it into automatic or black. So, okay. Now, so these are the basic formatting tools in your Microsoft Word. So for any questions, just comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.